What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile character in Battlefield 6. Start by heading into the loadout section from the main menu. This is where all your classes and customization options are stored. From here, choose the class you want your profile character to use. I'm selecting Assault cause the skin I prefer is listed under that class. Once you are inside the class menu, open the skin section from here and take a moment to scroll through the outfits. You can also go into customize if you wanna explore every skin available for that class, including any you may have unlocked recently. This gives you a clearer idea of how each one looks before you decide. When you pick the skin you want as your main one, look down at the bottom left corner where it shows loadout 1. Right underneath that, you'll notice an option called label profile. On console, press L3 to set the skin as your profile character. If you're on PC, just click the profile option or press I key to confirm it. After you apply it, the game updates your profile automatically. Now back out to the main profile screen and you'll see your character has changed to the skin you selected. It's an easy way to make your character looks exactly how you want in menus and loading screens. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.